Deep breath in and out. It all started with a desire to get healthy, to build a body and mind that worked for me and not against me. And even though I was a personal trainer, there was still something that was missing. My workouts were just a small part of my routine to get healthy. What I was putting into my body actually turned out to be more important than what I was doing here. And I've tried all those commercially available products, but they were just missing the ingredients and the nutrients to keep me full, powered, and satisfied throughout the day. So enter the magic of Bomb Foods. I finally found what worked for me. I started adding a ton of superfoods to my smoothie like chia seed, hemp seed, flaxseed, walnuts, pecans, dates, almonds, aloe, vanilla, cinnamon, sea salt, and a little bit of organic honey. But making a smoothie would take me like 25 minutes, from getting out the blender to opening the ingredients, blending the smoothie, putting the ingredients away, cleaning the blender, drinking the smoothie. It was a racket. So I took all those ingredients and I rolled them into the Blender Bomb. I immediately knew that I was onto something. So I started sharing the Blender Bombs with my clients. They were hooked, their friends were hooked, their family was hooked. So many people were asking for Blender Bombs. So I started sharing their testimonials on my personal Instagram story. And what was 1,500 followers is over 60K followers today. It's our little community. And just like that, Bomb Foods quickly became our co-packer's largest client and sales soared across the Southeast. We went from just one product, the Blender Bombs, to an entire lineup of smoothie, oatmeal, yogurt, and snacking items. From Bomb Bars to Granola So Bomb to Bomb Butter and my favorite, Bomb Drizzle. In 4 years, we launched in 350 Whole Foods locations and 1,200 Walmart locations. It's never been easy, but it's absolutely always been fun. So much fun that we decided to open up a smoothie bar experience store in Charleston called Hustle, so that locals and out-of-towners can come experience the magic behind the brands.
As soon as I started using Blender Bombs, what I noticed was that it was the easiest and first small, healthy habit that I could change.
We can come in here and we can order anything on the menu, and we know without checking that it's healthy for us, that it's good for our bodies.
Blender Bombs are sort of a domino effect into other healthier avenues in life.
You have this community of people that are all like-minded with their pursuit for nutrition.
The way that Helen Hall and the Bomb Foods brand has engaged their audience is truly exceptional. It's not just a community here, it's a movement nationally. We believe globally. With the right team, technology, and capital, we're going to see great things happen.
The team's energy is always powering forward. The foundation's already built for them to exponentially excel.
This brand is just starting, and this is an incredible time to become a part of the team that takes it from where it is now to the moon.
So what's next for Bomb Foods? We need you. We need our people. After all, you are the reason why we've gotten here today. With loyal customers who feel like family and a group of A-list players who are just as devoted to growing this brand as I am, every day is fulfilling. Invest today and get a seat at our bomb-ass table. Hey, guys!
Hey, Helen!